I lost my phone.
You look worried. Everything okay?
No, I can't find my phone.
Oh no, when did you see it?
Maybe 20 minutes ago?
Where were you then?
Near the coffee shop downstairs.
Did you check your pockets?
Yes, several times already.
What about your bag?
I checked that too.
That's frustrating.
Very frustrating. My phone is important.
Do you remember using it?
Yes, I sent a message.
Was that before coffee?
I think so, not sure.
Let's think carefully.
Okay, I'm trying.
Did you sit anywhere?
Yes, near a window.
Maybe you left it there.
That's possible. I was distracted.
Can someone call your phone?
Good idea. Could you call?
Of course. What's the number?
I'll tell you. One moment.
Okay, I'm ready.
I hope someone answers.
It's ringing now.
Really? That's good.
Wait, I hear something.
Where is the sound coming from?
Your jacket pocket, actually.
What? That's impossible.
Check the inside pocket.
Oh, wow, it's here.
Mystery solved very quickly.
I can't believe that.
At least it wasn't lost.
Ugh, today has been stressful.
And now it's funny.
Yes, but please don't tell anyone.
The wrong order arrived.
Hi, you look surprised.
Yes, my order just arrived.
That's good, isn't it?
Not really. It's the wrong order.
Oh no, what happened?
I ordered headphones, not this.
What did you receive?
A kitchen blender somehow.
That's quite different.
Very different. I don't cook much.
Did you check the label?
Yes, it has my name.
That's strange.
I thought so too.
When did you place the order?
3 days ago, online.
Were the headphones expensive?
A little, not very expensive.
Can you contact customer service?
Yes, but I dislike calling.
Maybe use online chat.
That's easier for me.
Good idea, then.
I hope they help quickly.
Most companies fix mistakes.
I hope you're right.
Do you need the headphones soon?
Yes, for a long trip.
When is your trip?
Next week on Tuesday.
There is still time.
Maybe, if they respond fast.
Have you opened the box?
No, I left everything inside.
That's probably smart.
I didn't want problems later.
Makes sense to me.
Maybe I should learn blending.
And start a cooking channel?
Please no, that sounds dangerous.
Fair enough.
I'll contact support right now.
Good luck with your order.
Thanks, and goodbye, blender.
I missed my stop.
Excuse me, are you okay?
No, I missed my stop.
Oh dear, which stop was it?
Maple Street, about 10 minutes ago.
That's unfortunate.
I know. I wasn't paying attention.
Were you looking at your phone?
Yes, and reading messages.
That happens to many people.
I feel pretty silly.
Don't be too hard on yourself.
Thanks, but I'm annoyed.
Is your destination far away?
Not really, just a few blocks.
That's good news.
Yes, it could be worse.
Where are you going today?
A friend's apartment downtown.
Have you visited before?
Only once, last month.
Do you know the address?
Yes, it's saved here.
That's helpful.
I hope I'm not late.
What time should you arrive?
Around 3 o'clock.
You still have time.
Really? That's a relief.
The next stop is coming.
Should I get off there?
Yes, then take the bus back.
That sounds simple enough.
Or you could walk.
How far is it?
About 15 minutes on foot.
Walking sounds better.
The weather is nice today.
Maybe missing my stop helped.
That's one way to see it.
Sometimes mistakes become small adventures.
Exactly. Here comes your stop.
Thanks. This time I'll pay attention.
The picnic surprise.
Nice day for a picnic.
Yes, the weather is perfect.
Did your family come too?
They are coming later.
Then you arrived early.
Yes, I wanted a good spot.
This area looks comfortable.
I thought so too.
What food did you bring?
Sandwiches, fruit, and cookies.
Sounds like a great picnic.
I hope everyone likes it.
I'm sure they will.
Well, there is one problem.
What kind of problem?
I forgot the drinks at home.
Oh no, that's unfortunate.
Yes, everyone will be thirsty.
Is there a store nearby?
I think so. Not far.
Then you still have time.
Maybe, but that's not all.
There's another problem?
Yes, a bigger one.
Now I'm curious.
I also forgot the sandwiches.
Wait, you forgot them too?
Yes, they're still in my kitchen.
Then what is inside the basket?
That's the surprise.
Go on, tell me.
I packed my laundry instead.
Your laundry?
Clean clothes and socks.
That's incredible.
I grabbed the wrong basket.
This picnic is memorable.
My family will never forget it.
At least the weather is good.
True. Maybe we'll buy pizza.
That sounds like a happy ending.
Yes, and a funny story.
The Wi-Fi isn't working.
Hello, you seem frustrated.
Yes, the Wi-Fi isn't working.
Oh, what seems wrong?
My laptop won't connect.
Did it work earlier?
Yes, about an hour ago.
That's interesting.
I was reading online articles.
Then the connection stopped?
Yes, very suddenly.
Did you restart your laptop?
Yes, twice already.
What message do you see?
It says no internet access.
That's helpful information.
Is the library Wi-Fi down?
I'm not sure yet.
I need internet today.
Are you working on something?
A report due tomorrow.
That sounds important.
Sigh. Very important, unfortunately.
Let's check a few things.
Okay, I'm listening.
Is Wi-Fi turned on?
Yes, definitely turned on.
Do other websites open?
No, none of them.
That's strange.
I thought so too.
Can your phone connect?
Let me check. 1 second.
Take your time.
My phone isn't working either.
Then it's probably not you.
Really? That's good news.
The network may have problems.
That makes sense.
Technology needs a break sometimes.
Maybe, but not today.
Hopefully it returns soon.
I hope so. My report agrees.
I locked myself out.
Hello, are you waiting here?
Yes, I locked myself out.
Oh no, that sounds stressful.
It is, and I'm embarrassed.
How did it happen?
I took out the trash.
And the door closed?
Yes, right behind me.
Did you have your keys?
No, they are inside.
That's unfortunate.
Very unfortunate and very annoying.
Do you live alone?
No, with my family.
Are they home now?
Nobody is home today.
That makes it harder.
Exactly. Much harder.
Do you have a spare key?
Yes, but not with me.
Where is the spare key?
At my brother's house.
Is that nearby?
About 20 minutes away.
That's not too bad.
Maybe, but I feel silly.
These things happen sometimes.
Have you ever done it?
More than once, actually.
Really? That helps a little.
You're definitely not alone.
Thanks. I needed that.
Can your brother bring it?
I already called him.
What did he say?
He is coming after work.
That's good news.
Yes, but that's 2 hours.
Long enough for a coffee.
Maybe 2 coffees.
Then the afternoon is saved.
Until I lock myself out again.
The vending machine took my money.
Excuse me, is everything okay?
No, the vending machine took my money.
Oh dear, what happened exactly?
I wanted a bottle of water.
Did you make a payment?
Yes, 2 pounds disappeared.
And no water came out?
Nothing came out at all.
That's very frustrating.
Yes, and I'm thirsty too.
Did the machine show anything?
It said processing, then stopped.
That's strange.
I waited for a minute.
Did you press the button again?
Yes, but nothing happened.
Maybe the machine is broken.
That's what I think.
Is there a phone number?
Let me look. Yes, here.
You can report the problem.
I hope they refund me.
They usually do.
Have you used this machine before?
A few times without problems.
Then today is my lucky day.
Not very lucky.
You're right. Bad choice of words.
Is there another machine nearby?
Yes, across the station.
You could try that one.
I'm not sure now.
Lost confidence in vending machines?
Completely. At least today.
That's understandable.
Maybe I'll buy water from a shop.
That sounds safer.
And hopefully more successful.
Good plan before your train arrives.
Thanks. Goodbye, 2 pounds.
Let's hope they come back.
My hotel room has a problem.
Good evening. How can I help?
Hi, my hotel room has a problem.
I'm sorry to hear that.
It's okay, but I need help.
What seems to be wrong?
The air conditioner isn't working.
Oh dear. Is it very warm?
Yes, much warmer than expected.
When did you notice it?
About 30 minutes ago.
Did you try the controls?
Yes, several times already.
And nothing changed?
Nothing at all.
That must be uncomfortable.
It is, especially at night.
What room are you in?
Room 512, on the 5th floor.
Thank you. Let me check.
Sure, I'll wait.
It looks like a known issue.
Really? That's not great.
A technician is coming later.
Later? How much later?
Probably in 2 hours.
That's a long time.
I understand your concern.
Is there another room available?
Let me look again.
Okay, I hope so.
Good news. One room is available.
That's wonderful. Thank you.
It's on a higher floor.
That's perfectly fine.
The air conditioner works there.
That's the important part.
I'll prepare the new key.
Great, you've saved my evening.
Happy to help.
Now I can finally relax.
Enjoy your stay with us.
Thanks, and enjoy the cooler room.
Someone took my seat.
Excuse me, is this your seat?
Yes, I think someone took it.
Do you have a reservation?
Yes, seat 18A.
Let me see your ticket.
Here it is, on my phone.
Yes, this says 18A.
That's what I thought.
Where is the person now?
He left a few minutes ago.
Did he say anything?
No, he just walked away.
That's a little unusual.
I was very confused.
Are your bags still here?
Yes, luckily they are.
That's good news.
I worried about that, too.
Maybe he sat in the wrong seat.
That happens sometimes, right?
Yes, especially on busy trains.
This train is very busy.
It certainly is today.
Should I sit here now?
Yes, it's your reserved seat.
Great, thank you.
Are you traveling far?
To London for a meeting.
Business or family?
Business, unfortunately.
Not a fan of meetings?
Not early morning meetings.
Fair enough.
At least I found my seat.
That's one problem solved.
A good start to the trip.
Hopefully the rest is easier.
I hope so too.
I lost my umbrella.
It's raining heavily outside.
Yes, and I lost my umbrella.
Oh no, when did that happen?
Maybe an hour ago?
Do you remember using it?
Yes, before coming here.
Where were you before?
At the train station nearby.
Did you carry it inside?
I think so, maybe.
That's not very certain.
I know, my memory is terrible.
Have you checked around here?
Yes, under every table.
What color is it?
A large black umbrella.
Many umbrellas look like that.
Exactly, that's the problem.
Did it have anything special?
Yes, a red handle.
That makes it easier.
I hope so.
Have you called the station?
No, not yet.
They may have it.
Do people return umbrellas?
Sometimes. Honest people do.
That's encouraging.
Was the umbrella expensive?
Not really, but I liked it.
I understand that.
It was a gift.
Oh, that makes sense.
That's why I'm disappointed.
Wait, what's beside your chair?
Beside my chair?
Yes, near your bag.
That's my umbrella.
Looks like you found it.
I searched everywhere except there.
The safest hiding place.
Next time, I'll look closer first.
You did great today. Keep learning real English conversations, and don't forget to subscribe to Daily English Practice.